The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia, has issued a flood warning for small streams in north-central Fairfax County in Northern Virginia until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:07 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated persistent moderate to heavy rain, which will cause flooding of prone areas shown below. Flooding is ongoing is expected to begin shortly in the warned area, with road closures likely. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Reston, Vienna, Great Falls, and Wolf Trap. This includes the following flood-prone roads: Blue Road at Browns Mill Road at Wolf Trap Creek, Old Grass Road at Besley Road. Precautionary prepared actions. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.